The Frogs Who Desired a King.
Once there were frogs who lived together in a pond. They lived in peace with plenty of food. "Oh, I am bored. Is there anything fun to do?" asked one of the little frogs. "If we had a king, he would know what to do," suggested an old frog. "You are right. We need a king. He can make us as happy as can be," cried all the frogs. "Then let us pray for a king," told one of the frogs. That night, the frogs began to pray together. "Please send us a great king." The next day a log fell over the pond. "Yay! Our king has come!" cried all the frogs happily. Time passed, but the log was still floating on the pond. "What kind of a king is that?" asked a big frog. "He cannot jump, he cannot sing. There's nothing he can do," told the old frog. "Please send a new king for us." The frogs began to pray again for a new king. The next day a stork flew over the pond. "Wow! Look at those elegant wings and the beautiful beak!" cried the little frog. "That must be our king. Our true king is here!" All the frogs shouted in happiness. "Hip, hip, hooray! 3 cheers for our king!" Everyone cheered for the stork. The frogs hopped over to the stork. "What a lucky day! Frogs are everywhere. I will eat you all." The stork's eyes shined after seeing so many frogs together. "Oh my! What we have done! We should have never wished for a king." The frogs regretted their wishes, but it was too late. They were all eaten by the stork that day.